Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I've just been lowering this bench. If you can see, this is the height it used to be. I've also been lining it, which I do every year, with cardboard. I've got one heat mat set up here. I've got two trays to do on that in shortly. I'll show you what I've got set up. There's my digital thermometer, thermostat. This is the, I'll just get the, that is the sensor on the end there. Just show you, put it in between my fingers and watch it, there you go, shoot up. So that's still working fine, which is great. So what I need to do now is just line it. I'm going to line it with this. Some Milo black and white sheeting, just to stop any damp going onto here or anywhere else. It just covers everything. It just gives me a bit of peace of mind. And the trays I shall be putting on are these, and these are Fabaceum and Dianthus Plumarias Sonata. So those two trays will be, as you can see, a lot of work to do. Still need to line all that back fence panel and just clean up the top here. Once that's done, I've got a nice light there. But these are LEDs and they're really good for starting seeds off any small plants that you've got in vegetative stage. But like I said, when it was 12 inches high, there just wasn't enough room. Going to be LEDs though, you can actually touch them, they don't get hot at all, so you can have your plants right up against them. So yeah, I'll put the sheeting on, cover this up, and then get it set up and show you how I go on. Right, well that's that just put on just temporarily. You see, but dropping down there nicely. If I put my hand on here, the heat mat is just under here. You feel it already. See it there. What I should do now, fill the edges, which is there. I should get both trays on there. All this will get stapled. I've ordered some new staples from Amazon for my staple gun, so when they arrive, that's why I've left that little bit going up there. I'll staple that to that panel at the back, get some more Milo black and white, and then all the way around. I've got this one, I've just kept it raised because that one, for the seedlings that need to be a little bit closer, that's why I've left it like that. But yeah, I shall get the seed trays. They're both seed trays sorted. And then I shall put this. This is not really a correct shape, but it's only temporary, just to keep the moisture in, keep some of the heat in. All I need to do now is plug the thermostat in. I like to get it, like centre it basically, in the centre of the compost. Once that's in, like so, should see the thermostat start to go up now. And as you can see, it's starting to climb now. 12.7, 12.8. When it gets to 22, it'll click off and it's brilliant. And these heat mats, I think, were £4 or £5 each. This thermostat, this sensor, was a tenner, so for £15, £10–15, you've got yourself basically a heater propagator. So yeah, they're great. These you can just have these on without having to heat all your greenhouse, just your seedlings. So yeah, that's just getting my seedling bench sorted. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.